How to use Snapchat My AI on PC on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to chat with Snapchat's AI assistant directly from your browser. First, open your Chrome browser on your Windows 11 PC. After that, go to snapchat.com in the address bar and log into your account. Let me show you. From there, click on the chat icon on the left side of the screen to open your conversations. At this point, look for My AI at the top of your chat list and click on it to open the conversation. In the next step, the My AI chat window will open and you'll see a welcome message from the AI. From there, click on the message box at the bottom and type in your question or message. At this stage, press Enter to send your message and My AI will respond instantly. Following this, you can ask My AI anything, from answering questions and giving recommendations to helping you write captions or brainstorm ideas. Once done, continue the conversation naturally by typing follow-up questions or new topics. My AI will keep up with the context of your conversation. Here's an important note. My AI on Snapchat is powered by ChatGPT technology. While it's generally helpful, it can sometimes make mistakes, so always double-check important information it gives you. And that's it. If this guide helped you use Snapchat My AI on PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.